Good morning, students. This is your EVS period. Today we will learn lesson number 9, the word of animals, part 2. Student, in the previous video, you have already learned this chapter. Today, I am going to explain you part 2. So get ready for this. In this part of the chapter, we will discuss about reptiles, amphibians, insects, birds, scavengers, herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals, and omnivorous. Do you think these animals can fly or walk with their leg? No, they cannot because these are reptiles. Reptiles are the animals that crawl. Reptiles are a group of cold-blooded animals which have skin covered with small hard plates. These hard plates are called scales, and these animals lay eggs. Snake, lizard, and crocodiles and turtle also are the example of reptiles. Students, have you ever noticed frogs live on both land and water? Some animals live both on the land and in water are called amphibians. For example, frog and salamander and toad, etc. Apart from clouds, aeroplane and kites, what else do we see when we look up in the sky? Yes, we see these beautiful birds. Birds fly in air. They have feathers and wings to fly. Birds have beak. They do not have teeth. Some example of birds are parrot, crow, sparrow, and peacock. Students, most bird builds nest on trees and lay their eggs. Do you know some birds like penguin, emu, and ostrich? They are flightless birds. They cannot fly. These are very small creatures. They are found everywhere. They are called insects. All insects have 6 legs. Some examples are honeybee, cockroach, grasshopper, mosquito, and butterfly. You can see in their surrounding. Okay? I hope you have understood about the categories of animal. Now, let's learn about what do animals eat. So, student, just like us, animals also need food to live and grow. Animals eat different kinds of food. Animals are classified according to their food habits as let's study about food and feeding habits of animals. Source of food for animal, plants and some other animals. All living things need food to grow and live, even pigeon or cow. Food gives us energy. We need food to remain healthy, fit, and strong. Food habits: giraffe eating leaves, bear eating flesh, lion eating meat. Classification on animal based on fooding habits. Herbivores eat plants. They are called herbivores. Herbivores eat grass, leaves, fruit, nuts, or roots. Herbivorous example cow, buffalo, zebra, goat, deer, horse, elephant, Some animals like these are eating plant. Herbi means plants and vorous means eater. So plant eating animals are called herbivores. Student, some animals they eat flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Carnivores example dog, cat, lion, tiger, fox. Corn means flesh. Vorous means eater. So the animals they eat flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Omnivorous. Omni means all. Vorous means eater. Eat both plant and flesh of animals are called omnivorous. They eat flesh of other animals and plant also. Example, bear, crow, and human. Human is also omnivorous. Human beings eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Now let's study about the scavengers. Do you know who are scavengers? Scavengers are the animal they eat flesh of dead animal. Students, animal like vulture, eagle and jackal eat the flesh of dead animals. They are called scavengers. Do you know scavengers are cleaner of earth because they eat dead animals. So they are the cleaner of earth. Student, at the end of the chapter, I hope you all have understood about the types of animals, eating habits. Now I am going to revise some points. Domestic animals live in shelter made by human. Wild animals live in forest. Amphibians live both on land and water. Herbivores eat plants. Carnivores eat flesh. And omnivores eat both plant and flesh. Scavengers are the cleaner of the earth. So, I hope you have understood all these things. Thank you. Have a nice day.